Hey everyone, this is question 28 and it's asking which of the following patterns are not possible. So which of these patterns down here can't be made with the paving stones that we see up here. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to try and draw out some of the patterns that are listed. And so a 2x3 pattern using just 3 rectangles. And so these are a 3x3 pattern, and as we can see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 makes it a 3x3 pattern. And so a 2x3 pattern would be 2 by 3, which gives us 6 spaces, and what we can do is we can put a rectangle there, a rectangle here, and a rectangle here, which means that pattern A is possible, and so it's not the correct answer. Pattern B, however, is a 3x3 pattern, and so we can try and fill it in this template up here. And they want to use 2 of these and 1 small square. And so if we fill in one of the big squares here, we can immediately see that there's no space for a second big square, because if we put one here, it's overlapping in this central tile, and so no pattern can be made, and the small square can go on the edge, but we no longer fill up the 3x3 pattern, and there's an overlap which makes it impossible. So that means that B is the correct answer. But if we want to go on and see what the other patterns are anyway, a 3x4 pattern made using 2 large squares and 2 rectangles can be done like this. So you have one big square, another big square, a rectangle, and a rectangle, and so that's 2, 2, 2, 1, and so that's 3 by 4, which gives us the 3x4 pattern, and there's 2 large rectangles and 2 large squares and 2 large rectangles, and so that means that C can't be made either, which leaves D, a 3x3 pattern using 1 small square, 1 large square, and 2 rectangles. And so what we can do is we can have 1 large square, 1 rectangle, another rectangle, and a small square here, which gives us 2, 1, 1, and a 2 there, which gives us 3 by 3, and all of the squares and rectangles are accounted for, which means that can't be done either, leaving B as the only pattern that can't be created.